Hello from Mobile World Congress. I'm Michelle Donegan, and I'm here with Roman and Dennis from Intellias, and two of their key partners, Miguel from Virtugrp and Edison from Connectbase. Let's start with Intellias. Dennis, can you tell us a bit about Intellias's accelerators and how those help operators to optimize their operations?
Absolutely. Intellias is a software engineering services provider, and it's all about synergetic partnerships for us. Our accelerators represent our skill and ability to work in complex business models to help drive efficiency with our customers.
Yeah, and this year is not about just GIS accelerators with us. So we have smart CapEx and 5G drone solution presented today. We also have the elaborated demo of Connectbase and Connectivity Marketplace that we built with them. We have the Telecom spectrum analyzer, and we even have the private 5G network solution that's presented by our partners at Virtugrp.
Roman, we talked a bit about Intellias's accelerators. Can you give us a bit more detail about what they're used for?
Absolutely. So essentially what we do is we integrate in new technologies and platforms to solve our clients' business problems, right? So let's take 5G drone accelerator as an example. So whenever there is a network capacity or outage issue, our partners at Virtugrp, they help solving this on a physical level, deploying the mobile 5G stations, but we help build them applications to dispatch applications, to the mapping visualization, and all kind of integrated works that come with it. Another level is smart CapEx application. So we collect the historical network operation data and we visualize it on a map. And basically this helps to streamline network operation for the operators, right? And the newer demo that we have for this year is with our partner at Connectbase. And basically I would just stop here and let Edison to comment what Connectbase does first, and we go from there.
Yeah, absolutely. So at the core of it, Connectbase is a SaaS platform, and we do sort of three main things, right? We are a location management system for telcos to really identify and manage their network assets out there in the world, whether that be fixed, mobile, whatever it is. We're an automation platform, so we automate that sort of traditional process of quoting and ordering, those manual processes that take up a lot of time. We allow them to use our tooling to automate that, to streamline their operations, and improve the customer experience. And then the last thing we do is we're a data platform. So we're bringing huge amounts of data, some of it we collect publicly from various sources, and using that data to inform our customers' business strategies, right? That can be things like, go-to-market strategy, which customer should I be targeting? That could be things like where should I build my network further? Where am I going to invest my CapEx and so on? But historically, our industry hasn't done well with capturing that data and using that. So we bring those three things together, provide that as a platform to some of the biggest operators in the world.
Connectbase and Intellias have a demonstration here at Mobile World Congress. Can you tell us what you're showing?
Yeah, absolutely. So Intellias have built a really cool visual representation of the city of Barcelona. And what they've done is they've utilized the Connectbase APIs, pulling in a lot of this industry data that I talked about, where we capture coverage information, telco, near-net, on-net presence, all that stuff. They pulled that in using our APIs and put it into this nice visual representation. What that does is it allows users to identify who are the operators in a specific building. If it's a landlord looking to get better connectivity for his tenants, whatever that might be, they're able to see that at a glance using this representation that they built.
How complex was the API integration? And what is the benefit for service providers?
Great question, Michelle. So essentially what we did, we integrated with Connectbase APIs, we pull up the data of on-net and near-net connectivity options, and we build the heat maps for the service providers to assess whether they might need the Salesforce attention or whether they need the CapEx investment, and then actually plan this. And what we showcase is the ability of get this data, add the business logic and rules on top of it, and have the application ready for the service providers, right? Integration was quite easy and streamlined, so it took us around 1.5 weeks to pull up the data, to build the application and deploy it. So what you see now was done quickly and efficiently, so we were happy with that.
Virtugrp and Intellias have a really interesting connectivity demonstration here at the show. Can you walk us through what you're presenting?
Connectivity is about getting data where you want it, when you want it. And here we're actually showing kind of like having a private lane on a busy highway. So we're demonstrating how easy it is to get up a 5G network. We can just get it up and running in 20, 30 minutes, and then you can start actually consuming your data and building the fantastic applications that you need. So this is one of the prerequisites that we've had in just showing how fast and how easy we can do this.
That's interesting. Dennis, can you tell us a bit about how the software application applies to the physical network?
Intellias' Smart CapEx solution leverages AI and predictive analytics to help customers spend money more effectively. By analyzing network performance data, they can make more conscious decisions on where to spend their money, which will eliminate and minimize unnecessary expenses.